Good morning, guys. When me and Lauren woke up this morning, we decided let's go to SeaWorld for the day, so that's what we're doing. So we're gonna head to SeaWorld Orlando, and I heard that there's a brand new parade, and I'm excited to see that, and there's also a brand new show, which I don't know if we're gonna see that yet. No real agenda, we're just gonna go have fun today. It's gonna be a great day. Let's go enjoy this beautiful Saturday at SeaWorld Orlando.
Down to the glass and say hi.
Look at this.
Hello!
To Treasure
You guys want to
and
see a big
Victoria as they
splash?
walk, or as they swim by.
Yeah!
Wow, look at that. Whoa!
She did splash for you!
Well, that was really cool. There's just a mermaid in here just by the pool store just swimming around.
Rock, paper, scissors.
How do I sign up? Alright, I decided to go hop on a ride real quick. Since I'm an annual pass holder, we get a free quick queue to use for today. Decided to use it on Mako because the parade's at 1:30. It's about 1 o'clock now, so hopefully I'll be on this and then off and then go see the new parade. I'm excited to see it. It's called Mako and Crew. Surprisingly, Mako on a Saturday was only a 15-minute wait, but I used a quick queue, and it was just so nice to get on there, especially how high it was with that wind blowing in your face. That was amazing. So next up, we're going to go wait for the brand new parade, Mako and Crew. I'm excited to see it. I'm hoping it's pretty good, and so far so good here today. Not that busy for a Saturday. The Mako and Crew parade was really good. It wasn't a new parade, it was the same music as they had as the 60th anniversary parade, but now we're going to go see the brand new show called Hydro Surge, and I'm very excited for that. It's kind of like a circus show, so I'm very excited to see this. Next up, Hydro Surge. Yeah, look at that, brand new show called Hydro Surge.
Only
just ended up seeing Hydro Surge, and what a great, fantastic show it was at the Natalis Theater. Amazing acrobatic show. The music was awesome, and it was just a nice midday break. Great addition to SeaWorld. Happy they're starting to add some more shows. Highly recommend checking it out when you guys come. Next up, Sesame Street Land. It feels so weird that I'm not going to be seeing the parade today. Yeah, for Saturday, honestly, it really isn't that busy today.
Good job, everyone. Elmo stopped at the park. He had finished his quest. His mom had been right. Being kind was the best. As Elmo and Julia took turns on the slide, the little red monster felt all warm inside. Look at them playing on the slide. Ready, friends? We have our camera. So we're going to take out our imaginary camera and we're going to do what? We're going to take our picture. Click. Good job. Back home with his photos, Elmo sat down and thought of all the things he'd seen around town. The generous spirit of family, and this is what makes the world go round. Friends, go ahead and give yourselves a big round of applause. You did amazing. Woohoo! That's a great job.
Hooray! That was so much fun. Thanks for reading along with us. It made me want to clap and clap. Clap, clap, clap. Flap, flap, flap.
Hey, Big Bird, I have an idea. Would you like to meet some of our new friends today?
Oh yeah, I'd love that.
Alrighty, friends, if you would like to meet my pal Big Bird, I'm going to go ahead and ask that you find your girl.
Well, the splash pad is really in effect today on this hot day. Guys, Elmo and Abby are missing. I wonder if they'll come back and they're just under refurbishment, but wow. Interesting. Alright, next up we're heading into Odyssey. This says 16-minute wait, but I have Passport to Thrills. Gonna take advantage of that. Alright, the queue entrance. Heck yeah. Apparently it's a 16-minute wait though. Oh yeah. It is definitely busy.
Novel and iconic players as they navigate the frozen graceful street. Swim with light, their songs echoing through the icy depths. Watch as playful seals dive through the
Hi, baby. Look at you all being cute. Hi, baby. You decide to come out too? Yeah? Hi, Lele. Uh-oh, yawny kitty. just got back from SeaWorld Orlando, and I have to say today was an amazing day. We didn't even have plans to go today. When we got up this morning, me and Lauren were just like, what do we want to do today? Let's go to SeaWorld Orlando, because why not? So yeah, fun day today. Like I said, there was no real agenda or anything, but when I was looking at the app, I saw there was a brand new show called Hydro Surge, and I had to see that, and apparently it just debuted yesterday. So that's pretty cool that we got to see that the second day in operation. It was a very good show. Lots of acrobats, singing, dancing. It was just so good. I highly recommend going to check that out over at the Nutella's Theater. I even got to do 2 rides today, actually. I was able to go on Mako and use my Passport to Thrills card over at the Odyssey Expedition. I finally got a POV of that new attraction, so that was really cool. And we also got to see the Shamu Crew Parade, which was nice. I thought it was a brand new parade, but it wasn't. It was just the same as last year. It was the same parade as the 60th anniversary, so it's just called Shamu and Crew Parade now. But yeah, fun day over at SeaWorld Orlando. If you guys are new here, please just subscribe. Ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I have a new video. This video is done. I will see you guys in the next one.